Hello, my name is Sultan Alteyadi, and I'm an astronaut living and working on board the International Space Station. We are currently orbiting 250 miles above Earth's surface, but in the not-so-distant future, we'll be sending astronauts on missions that go deeper in space than ever before. To do that, we'll need to understand how to grow our own food in space. Did you know that we have multiple plant facilities on board the International Space Station? Let's go check out what we have.
Just like humans, other organisms need food to survive. Most plants, algae, and cyanobacteria synthesize their own food from water, light, and carbon dioxide. These organisms are called photoautotrophs, which are photosynthetic organisms that utilize energy from light to synthesize organic molecules. The light energy from the sun converts the water and carbon dioxide into glucose, a source of chemical energy for the plant, and oxygen, a waste product that we use to breathe. This process is called photosynthesis, and it's through that process that plants and other photoautotrophs fuel their growth and reproduction.
Here in the Veggie facility, our plants receive their light in the form of blue, red, and green LED lights. We have successfully grown a variety of plants, including lettuce, Chinese cabbage, Mizona mustard, red Russian kale, and zinnia flowers. We also have another plant growing facility called the Advanced Plant Habitat that has grown radish and hatch chili peppers that past crew members had an opportunity to taste. Currently, we are growing red robin dwarf tomato plants. We are studying how different light settings and fertilizer affect their growth. Once maturity is reached, the crew and I will have the chance to harvest them and maybe eat them. We'll share our feedback on their taste and how caring for the plants made us feel, so scientists can also study any psychological or behavioral impact on growing plants in space. This study is significant because it helps us learn how to grow our own food in space as we prepare for Artemis missions to the moon and to Mars. So we do take care of the plants every day. We monitor their habitat, and we do cleaning every day as well if needed. We do monitor any microbial growth and remove that when needed. We can feed plants with water from the main water inputs here, but we also have individual inserts for an individual plant to receive their own water if needed. And we have fans that control the air in and out from the habitat. And as you can see, we have different light settings. As we mentioned, we have different LEDs that can investigate the effect of different lights on the plants. You might be shocked to hear scientists estimate a whopping 50 to 80% of oxygen production on Earth comes from oceanic plankton, which includes drifting plants, algae, and photosynthetic bacteria. That's one big reason why we need to protect our oceans. Thanks for exploring photosynthesis on station with me today. I'm going to send it back to Earth so you can start your own plant experiment. See you soon.